here in Torridon. Meant to be doing Leagach today, but the weather has been fairly brutal. So we're going to try Beinn Damph instead. Just parked up at the Torridon. And yeah, getting views like this already, which is fantastic. Look at that. What a place for a hotel. So yeah, this is just a Corbett. That says Beinn Damh Viewpoint Trail, so I think we'll follow that. Hopefully get a break in the weather. So it has been wild. It is still March, so yeah. So I think 700 metres today. Walk Highland says it's about 7 miles, about 67 hours. So see if we can beat that. But, aye, see we got them. Absolutely love Torridon. It can be absolutely wild and forgiving. The last couple of days have just been 50 mph winds, chucking it down with rain, rivers in the road. But if you can just see that out and you get a wee glare of sunshine, it's absolutely magical. Just best place on the planet, I love it. I've literally just put my gloves away in the bag and the rain started. Looking a bit threatening over there. Yeah, the winds are maybe not quite just done yet. Next week is meant to be 18 degrees. Yay! I'm back in the office. Yay! Oof. I always say if you let the bad weather put you off, you'll get nothing done. May have to regret that. Oh, there's my it's an excellent path for the first half, and then it just sort of disappears, sort of roads into a river. So if you are doing this, just sort of follow the water up and then the path comes back. So absolutely stunning though. Like 600 feet to go, but nah, not today. Not today. It'll keep. What my neck. False sense of hope. You're like, oh, maybe it'll be alright, and then bang, it just hits you again. Frustrating, really frustrating. Best staying safe. Another time. Definitely made the right call. so glad I didn't pass you on. Definitely made the right call. Bloody hell. And then 2 minutes later, look at it, absolutely glorious. Sunshine. Unbelievable. The weather now, absolutely stunning, but yeah, definitely made the right call, I think. Love going on these adventures, but you gotta keep it safe, keep it sensible. So yeah, it's a shame. Managed 4/5 of it, and I'd definitely do it again. It's a good Corbett to do. Actually, it's absolutely stunning. Like I say, I think it's about 700 metres, so it's not quite hitting Monroe levels, but the views are just absolutely insane. I mean, even this, just coming back down to Torridon, is absolutely beautiful. So nice. So just come up from there. Beautiful rivers and waterfalls, cool trees. There's Leagach over there. See the mountaintops covered in snow. That's where I might be climbing today, but yeah, that's all like 1100 metres. I'm glad that we never attempted that today. It'd be wild, absolutely wild. I just loved all the sort of layers, the stacks of Torridonian sandstone. There's Torridon down there. And, Beinn, which is still one of the most epic climbs that I've done. Just absolutely stunning. Again, if you get the weather, don't you be getting much of a view from the top. The sun setting it. That's definitely one if you're wanting an epic stunning walk. Phenomenal. You can't really go wrong around here if you get the weather. If you get the weather. Good test of Gore-Tex today anyway. That's one thing you can say about Scotland. It's good for testing your waterproofs. Another time.